Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm XiaoMing. Today we are going to cook a very authentic Chinese dish, Pao Chicken. The ingredients we need are piece of chicken, some Sichuan pepper, dried chili and peanuts, spring onion and ginger. Now let's prepare all the ingredients. First we cut the chicken into dices. Then we marinate it. Add around 2 grams of salt, 2 ml of cooking wine, and 2 ml of light soya sauce. Mix well. And then 2 grams of cornstarch. Mix well again. Now let's cut the spring onion into small dices. And then slice the ginger. Then we cut the dried chili into small pieces. Now let's prepare the sauce. We add around 10 grams of sugar, 2 grams of salt, 5 ml of vinegar, 5 ml of cooking wine, and 5 ml of light soya sauce. Mix well. Add 2 grams of cornstarch. Mix well again and put it aside. Then let's fry them. Add around 15 ml of vegetable oil and then put all the peanuts into it. Fry it for around 5 minutes. Turn the fire to smallest so it won't get overcooked. After 5 minutes, the peanuts should be very crispy and we put it aside. Use the remaining oil. We put the chicken into it. And then we stir fry it. After around 2 minutes, the chicken should be half done. We put it aside. And add all the dried chili and the Sichuan pepper into it. Fry it for 10 seconds and we add all the spring onion and the ginger into it. Fry it for another 20 seconds and we mix all the ingredients together. Fry it for another 1 minute and then we add the sauce into it. Fry it for another 1 minute and we add all the peanuts into it and mix well. Then we are ready to serve. You can either put it on a dish or on the rice. That's all for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoy it and see you in next video.